Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This Halloween set your discount up to 50% off capped at $500. So whether it's a small treat or a giant cart full of goodies, your customers save big and your profits stay safe. Before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting up discount percentage with the cap amount, I'm using the Next Discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify app store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and then click on Create New Discount. Now choose your discount type as your discount code and add any discount code. For now, I am adding 50 off as my code here. Now I am planning to give a 50% of discount with the capping amount as 100. Now, this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 500. Even though the percentage of 50% of the cart value is higher than 500, our cap amount ensures that the maximum discount amount will never go beyond 500. And I can also set this code can be applied for all the products or a specific product or a specific collection. I'm adding it for all the products for now. And I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement, and I'm planning to give this offer for all the customers. You can also set some customer eligibility as customer having some tag or only on first order like that. And I can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in powder. I'm adding 100 here. And I can also limit the use of this code per customer only one time. And I can also set the active dates of this code. Like I can select a start date or an end date through which the code is active. Like if you are planning to give the Halloween discount for the shop during the month of Halloween or a week or 10 days before the Halloween, like that, you can set the start date and end date here. And then you can also club the discount with the existing discount like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. And after adding all this, just save the changes. Now we can check the discount section whether it got activated. Now you can see that Halloween 50 off has got activated. Now we can check this setup in our online store. So I'm adding this product of 5000 to the cart and I'm adding our code here. Now you can see that the cap amount 500 is got deducted. Even though the 50% of 5000 is greater than 500, our cap amount makes sure that the discount amount will never go beyond the 500. So it got capped at 500 since we have given the condition like that. We can check with some other product now. Now I'm adding product of worth 599. I'm adding our code here, Halloween 50 off. Now you can see that 299, which is 50% of the MRP is got deducted. So here the 50% of correctly got applied. So this is how you protect your discount amount using the Next Discount app. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.